Hello, everybody. I'd just like to give you a quick tour of what my blend looks like, and it all starts on my website. So I have a Weebly site, www.skypeman.weebly.com, and once the students get to my website, I have a nice little homepage that just welcomes them to math. You'll see my Creative Commons license right here at the top. If they want to meet Mr. Skypeman and my family, they can. They can read. They can read all about my wife and I and our two kids, and some of the stuff that we did this summer. Some cool pictures. Specifically, I have my blend set up for my trigonometry class. So if they go there, there's a couple resources that they have. I have some answers to some of the test questions and some of the reviews that they have. Actually, not the test questions, but the test reviews. And then if you come down here, I have a forum set up so that they can post questions, or they can post questions for different sections, and you can see that we've done pretty well, especially when it's coming up to a test. We get lots of questions, so they've done well there. And then also I have a YouTube channel, so I can post. I don't know. I'll hit play here, and you can hear me talk a couple different ways. Um, oh, and look it, you can see my closed captioning as they get on that. So, anyways, that just gives them a little instructions on where they can go to do some of their formative assessments. So, thank you for watching, and I hope it looked good.